In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you 19 secret Claude Code commands that 99% of people have no idea exist. The kind that 10x your productivity, slash your token costs, and make Claude feel like an entirely different tool. We tested every single one and packed only the highest leverage ones into this no-fluff breakdown. So whether you've used Claude for 2 years or 2 days, the next 15 minutes will change how you work with it forever. Number 1, /BTW. Right now, Claude is running a long task: research, debug, analysis, and you're stuck waiting. Type /BTW and you can ask Claude any other question while the big task keeps running in the background. Same session, same context. 2 parallel jobs. This shipped in the past month and almost nobody knows it exists. Number 2, /model. Switch between Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku on the fly. Most people leave Claude on Opus for everything. That's burning tokens. For a LinkedIn post or renaming files, Haiku is fine. Save Opus for the hard stuff. Number 3, /effort. 4 levels: low, medium, high, max. This controls how many reasoning passes Claude makes before answering. Drop your default to medium and you save tokens on every prompt. Bump it up only when you actually need deep thinking. But wait until you see what Command 4 does. It makes both of these commands almost unnecessary. Number 4, /advisor. This is brand new and it's a game changer. You set Claude's default to something cheap like Sonnet medium effort. Then you turn on Advisor and pick Opus 4.7 as the escalation model. From that point on, Claude works on cheap mode by default. But if it gets stuck on a hard problem, it automatically escalates to Opus, solves it, and comes back. You get near Opus performance at a fraction of the token cost without changing models manually. Type /advisor in the terminal to set it up. Number 5, ultrathink. This one's been around longer, but it's gold. Just type the word ultrathink anywhere in any prompt, beginning, middle, end. The word turns rainbow-colored and tells Claude to use the best model with maximum reasoning just for that one prompt. Default stays cheap, but for the prompt where you really need horsepower, you get it on demand. Single keyword, no menus. Number 6, /caveman, plus a bonus called context mode. Both are open-source plugins. Just tell Claude, install the Caveman plugin and install the Context Mode plugin. It'll handle the rest. Caveman cuts unnecessary output tokens automatically. Context Mode does the same for MCP tool calls, which are notoriously token-heavy. Stack them both if you're on a lower-tier plan and you'll feel the difference within a day. But before you can optimize what you're spending, you need to actually see it. That's exactly what Command 7 does. Number 7, /context. This visualizes your context window as a colored grid. Run it in the terminal and you'll see exactly how much of your context is being used by prompts, tools, memory, and skills, broken down by category, plus optimization suggestions for whatever's eating the most. If you've ever wondered where all your tokens are actually going, this answers it in 5 seconds. Number 8, /clear. Use this every single time you switch tasks. It wipes the conversation context, which does 2 things: cuts your token bill and improves answer quality. Long conversations with irrelevant context literally make Claude dumber. It's a known LLM problem. I'd run /clear 5 to 10 times a day, and so should you. Number 9, /insights. This is wild. Claude analyzes your last 30 days of sessions and generates a personal report card. Where you're using Claude well, where you're underutilizing it, quick wins to try, skills you should build, features you don't know about. It's basically Claude grading you and telling you how to use Claude better. Run it in the terminal. It takes a few minutes, so use /BTW from Command 1 while you wait. See how it all connects? Now we're moving from optimizing into building. The next 3 commands are about creating systems that work for you 24/7. Number 10, skill creator. This isn't built in by default. Run /plugin marketplace, add Anthropic's /Claude plugins official, then /plugin install skill creator at Anthropic. Now you have a meta skill that builds skills for you, and not just any skills. It creates skills with built-in evals, which is a grading rubric that scores the skill every time you change it. so you actually know whether your edits made the skill better or worse, instead of guessing. There's even a benchmark mode that runs your skill 10 times to measure consistency. Number 11, team-onboarding. Brand new. Claude analyzes your project, your sessions, your MCP usage from the past 30 days, and generates an onboarding document a teammate can paste into Claude as their first message. They'll instantly know what the project does, which MCPs to set up, which commands matter, and how you actually use the system. If you do Claude consulting or training, this is your new selling point. Number 12, /loop. Type /loop, then an interval like 5 minutes, then any prompt. Claude runs that prompt every 5 minutes in your current session. Minimum interval is 1 minute. Catch, it expires after 3 days and dies if you close the session. So this is for short polling work, like checking if a video render finished, not for long-running automation. That's where Command 13 comes in. Number 13, /schedule. This runs in the cloud, not on your computer, so you can shut your laptop and the task still fires. Uses cron syntax. For example, /schedule 09 *** 1 through 5, then your prompt gives you a weekday 9 a.m. agent. Limits. Minimum interval is 1 hour, and there's a daily run cap depending on your plan. 5 for Pro, 15 for Max, around 25 for Team or Enterprise. Catch. No local file access since it runs in the cloud, so it's best for daily summaries and recurring research. Number 14, /remote control or /RC for short. This syncs your phone to your active Claude Code session on your laptop. Open the Claude app on your phone, tap Code in the left sidebar, find your active session, and now you can issue commands from anywhere. Claude is still running on your laptop with full file access. You're just driving it from your phone. Heading to the gym mid-task? /RC, run something like amphetamine to keep your laptop awake, and you can keep working from anywhere. Number 15, /rename. Renames your active Claude session. Sounds boring until you start using remote control with 3 or 4 sessions open. Then you'll have no idea which is which on your phone screen. Rename them by purpose. YouTube script, bug fix, daily report. Now your phone shows useful labels, not random IDs. Number 16, /resume. Pick up any previous Claude conversation on a different device. Working in your basement on your desktop, weather turns nice, you grab your laptop and go to the patio. /resume, pick the conversation, keep going. Same context, no re-explaining. Number 17, the Claude Chrome extension. Search Google for Claude Chrome extension, install the official one, log in. Now Claude can drive your browser, navigate to URLs, click buttons, scroll, type. In Claude Code, launch with Claude-Chrome. Use it for sites with no API. Use it for end-to-end testing. Tell Claude don't stop until the user can sign in, fill the form, and the button works, and it'll keep iterating until your app actually functions. If you're more advanced, Playwright MCP is stronger, but the Chrome extension is the easy on-ramp. One warning, never use it to automate TikTok comments. You will get shadow banned. Number 18, rewind. Type rewind in Claude Code and you get a list of your past messages. Pick anyone, and the conversation rewinds to that point, creating a new branch where you can take a different path, like time travel for conversations. If you're not technical and Git branches confuse you, this is the same idea, way simpler. Conversation went sideways at message 12, rewind to message 11, try again. One command left, and it's the one most people will actually see in their day-to-day. Number 19, /statusline. Customize the bar at the bottom of your Claude Code terminal, the strip below where you type. By default, it's mostly empty space. With /statusline, you can show your project folder, your Git branch, real-time context window usage as a percentage, your session cost in dollars so far, how long the session has been running, anything you want. Run /statusline in the terminal and you'll see all the options. Some of these get popular on social media because they look impressive, but the practical wins are knowing your cost and context usage at a glance. Here's what I'd actually do tonight. Don't try all 19. Start with 5, /clear and /context to feel the token savings instantly, /advisor and ultrathink to lower your default model cost without losing power. and /insights to find out what you've been missing for the last 30 days. By the time you've used those 5 for a week, the rest of this list will make 10 times more sense. So pick your 5, run them tonight, and watch how fast Claude starts feeling like a completely different tool. Now here's what's coming next. Again, if you want to pick up the free AI Automation Framework Guide, please click on Free Gift in the channel description below. Grab it now. It has everything about our 5 frameworks laid out step by step, so you can start this week. And again, it is completely free. If you want to see exactly how we built a real AI income system from scratch, please subscribe to our channel to receive notification of our weekly videos that will help you in your journey. When you subscribe to the channel, please remember to hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos hit the channel. And be sure to follow us on your favorite social channels. Please drop a comment right now below as I want to hear from you. So, which command are you going to use first after this training? Enter your answer below as I read every single comment, so your answers literally shape what I create next. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep building.